I've built a geometric solid with these unit cubes. What kind of geometric solid is this? It's a rectangular prism. I want to find the volume of this rectangular prism. What do we call the volume? The space inside of this rectangular prism. Remember, it's a solid because it occupies space. So we want to calculate that space. So let's count the number of cubes I used to build this rectangular prism. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the volume of my rectangular prism is 24 unit cubes. 24 unit cubes. Now I use this same number of cubes to build another kind of geometric solid. Let's try to build another kind of geometric solid with the same number of cubes, 24 unit cubes. Wow, I built another kind of geometric solid. What kind of geometric solid is this? It's still a rectangular prism, isn't it? Or is it a cube? So find out. I think it's a rectangular prism, but a different kind of rectangular prism. It has a different shape, different kind of solid, but then is the same number of cubes we used, 24 unit cubes. So we say that this rectangular prism is equivalent to the previous one we built because we used the same number of cubes to build them. Let's see if we can still use these number of cubes, or this number of cubes, 24 unit cubes, to build yet another kind of geometric solid. So let's dismantle this particular cube. the same 24 number of, 24 unit cubes. Let's see if we can build another kind of geometric solid out of these cubes, 24 unit cubes. So let's see. We built another kind of geometric solid, still a rectangular prism, but a different kind of rectangular prism. We use the same number of cubes, so we say that this rectangular prism is equivalent to the two other previous ones that we built, because they all use the same number of cubes, 24 unit cubes. Now I'll show you how we write this. Let's start with what we built earlier on. So this was the first one we built. That we use 24 unit cubes altogether. So I'll write my 24 unit cubes that I used equals, what do we have here is the length, if you remember, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 by, let's count the breadth, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's count the height, 1, 2. And if you calculate that, 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 2, 24. That is the first one. Now, what about the next one we built? Let's build that one and see. Now this is the other prism we built. Let's see. Again, we start from here. 1, 2. So the length is 2. Let's see the breadth here. 1, 2, 3. Breadth is 3. Let's see the height. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So we see 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24. You can see the shape. That's another kind of prism. Now let's go on to the last one we built. That's the last one we built. So in the same way, let's see how we write this. We have our length 1, 2, 3, 4. And our breadth here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then our height just 1. So now let's see. 4 times 6, 24. 24 times 1, 24. So we see that the 3 prisms are all equivalent because we use the same number of cubes to build them, 24 unit cubes. They all have the same volume. What does this remind you of? Factors. So they have the same volume. We use 24 unit cubes to build them.